Hello, my name is Ajit and in this video I will take a tour of WHM panel options. So after the installation, let's see how many options we have under the WHM and how many tabs we have under the WHM. So let's log into the WHM panel. So I'm just opening the Google browser. So the IP address of my WHM server is 192.168 and 50.140. So I'm using the port number 2087 to connect to my WHM. So let's refresh this, and you can see I choose a different language. Let's choose an English language from the bottom. Username is root, and I'm just logging with my username and password. So once you log in with the root username and password, so you will get a screen like this. So this is the login screen, first login screen when you log in with the username and password. So let's start with the top right corner. So you can see the operating system is CentOS 7.8 VMware, which is installed on VMware Workstation, and the version of this particular cPanel is 86.0.21. So the load average is the server is up from 1 minute and 1 minute, 5 minutes and 15 minute load averages. So this is a load average. So the version 88.0.5 is available for the new update. So if you want to a new update, you can click the update now button and you will start updating your WHM panel. So next we have the views. So you can see there are two views, default and classic. So you can switch your views as per your requirement and as per your comfortable level. So this is a default view, and if you want to click on the classic view, so you can click on classic view. So next to the classic view, we have a button called support. If you need any support related to the product, you can click on that. You can see there are 4 categories and 4 options. You can see number 1 is cPanel and WHM FAQs. Once you click on that, it will take you to the cPanel WHM FAQ questions and answers, which you need to read as per your requirement, as per your knowledge gathering. So next option we have a support forum. So this link will take you to the support forum of cPanel related to the all the updates, all the queries, all the discussion which are put it by a different kind of engineers under the cPanel forum. So then you have a link called documentation. So once you click on that, it will take you the documentation of WHM. So you can see all the document related to WHM is under that particular link. So next option you have a contact cPanel. If you want to contact cPanel, you can click on that. So it will take you the support ticket option for cPanel. So let's go back. So these are the main options you have under the right top corner. So let's come to the left top corner. You can see a tab called news. If you want to see any new news related to the WHM or cPanel, you can click on the news button. So if you want to check the change log, you can click on that. If you want to log out from the WHM, you can click on logout button. So these are the options on the top left corner. Let's come to the left corner of the WHM portal, where you can see a n number of options, n number of categories. So each options have a different category. So I'm just minimizing all the categories. So you can see there are a number of categories. So you can see at the left corner there are number of categories. Number 1 is server configuration. Related to all the server configuration, you need to click on this category and you can see all the options related to the configuration. But you want to set an initial quota, you want to set a server profile, you want to check the server time. So all the configuration related to the WHM you will see under the server configuration. If you want to change the root password, you will see the option under the server configuration. Then if you want to change any network settings, you will go to the network setting tab. If you want to go to any backup policy, you want to see backup policy, you want to take a backup, you can go under the backup tab. If you want to check the server status, you can go to the server status tab. So all the options are available related to your server administration task. So you can go and click to any options and start using that particular option. So let's open any tab and see how many options we have. Let's check with the backup. So you can see under the backup you have a backup configuration. So if you want to configure a backup, you can click on the backup configuration. So it will take some time. So yes, so backup configuration options and tabs are viewable now. You can start using these options as per your requirement, what backup you want to take, where you want to take the backup. So all the options you have here in a single console, which is known as WHM. So this is particular for the server admin who's managing the cPanel server. So any question related to WHM and cPanel, you can put on the comments. We'll reply on that. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.